Hello teachers, I'm Victoria. Welcome to this video. I create this video special for you. Today, I know it's very difficult to capture the attention of our students, but I have a solution. Today, I will teach how to create multimedia flashcards. To teach vocabulary, make feedback, or teaching any subject that you want of different levels. So, let's start.
The first thing we'll do is a cover presentation. First, we will open a new PowerPoint document. We will add text in one of the text boxes, that is in our first slide, and write flashcards multimedia. Give an enter with the enter key and write the name of the topic we have chosen. In my case, I will write time. This is the topic I have chosen to make the exam. Then, to change the font of the letters, we go to the Home tab to the font group and change our font to the one we want and like. Here's depend on the creativity of each one. Also, in the same group, we can change the color of the font and size. To add a background to our slides, we give right click. We select background format. This box will open. Here are different options, but I will select the fill with texture image. We will go to the bottom of the slide and select the option Apply to All. This function will serve us so that when editing a new slide in the same background. Then we will add a notebook texture to our presentation. We will go to the Insert card to the group illustration, select Image and look for the folder on our desktop or Documents folder where the notebook texture image is. We select it and give you accept since we have our image with the help of the key shift and left click. We will make a little bigger our image. As we observe our image stay above the letter of our text, we go to the tab format to the group organize. We place in this tab send back. We select in the down arrow and select send to the background. Then we will add the image Start Now. This will serve to create a button on Go to the next slide. And so we will have our cover. We can give it the style we want. It depends on us and the creativity we have. Now we add a blank slide. When go to the Home tab to the group slide, we go to the new slide and we place in the new slide and select blank. Here we will begin to make the first multimedia flashcard. We will insert all the elements that we will use to create our model. Since we have all the elements, we arrange them. If you want just, can place a color of image of post-it or the post-it of several colors. It's just you will choose the post-it of a color when already you have it. In the insert slide, you select it and with the key Ctrl plus C, this function is for you. Copy and with keys Ctrl plus B, paste the same object of the time that you want. Then we place the image on top of the post-it, but if you see the image is behind the post-it, then we go to the tab format in the group organize and we place it in the option that says fetch forward. Select it down around and select the option that says fetch in front. The image is on top of the post-it. Then we do the same with the other image that will serve as a button. This way we will have all the elements already accommodated. To add text and we can write the name of the first flashcard, we go to the Insert card to the group illustration in the option of Form and select a text box and write. In my case, I write 1 o'clock. This is the name of my first flashcard. We can also change the font, color, and size. corresponds to the name of the flashcard. Then we add another text box to place the example where we will use to the first flashcards. Then we add the audio to hear the pronunciation of the name of the flashcards. There are two ways to add audio. The first one is we go to the tab Insert, to the group Multimedia, to the option Audio. We select Audio in my PC. We look for in the folder where we have the audio. We select it and we give to insert it. We can leave it next to the name of the flashcard or in accordance of the slide. The second way is we go to the folder where we have the audio, select the audio and drag it to the slide where we are going to insert, and that's it. You can use either of the two ways, but the easiest one is the second. Now we will make the buttons to make our multimedia flashcard work. We select the image that is about the post-it. We will begin with the image of home. We go to the tab Start, to the group edition. We give click in the option Select Panel of Selection. This box will open, Selection Box. Here we will change the name of each image that is about the post-it, so it will be easier to locate the name of the button. We will put button home, and so we'll do with the other image. We'll also do with the image that will serve as a button that is on the cover. Since we have the name of the buttons, we'll add the animation to work our buttons. Close our selection panel. Start with the image of the flashcard. Go to the tab Animation Card, to the group Advanced Animation, select Animation Panel. We will open this box. This will serve to display the animation and triggers. Now we insert the image of our first flashcard. Select our image. Go to the Animation tab, to the Advanced Animation group. Select Add Animation, in this case the Input Animation Zone. Now we will add a trigger. To trigger, there are two ways. First, we go to the Animation panel, select the animation that we add to the image. We place in the down arrow, then select intervals. We will open a box. Select triggers, then select Start Effect with clicking width, and select the name of the button, in that case button picture, and we will to accept. Second way, select the image with the animation already added, in this case the zoom animation. Go to the tab Animation, the group Advanced Animation, Trigger, then click Width and look for the image of the button, in this case button picture, and ready. This way is much faster to add the triggers of our keyboard and while our button works. To leave the presentation screen, we will use the ESC key that is on the top left of our keyboard, and so we will do it with the name of the flashcard and the example. We can add the animation that we like the most in the input animation. Now, to make the audio button, we select the audio. We go to the tab Animation, to the group Animation, and select Play and trigger the clip in button audio. Now we present to see if they work. All our buttons, including audio. Well, the buttons work, but if we look at our slide, you see the audio icon. We leave our presentation. Select the audio and automatically up to tab Formatter and Play. We select the tab Play. In audio option, select the option Hide during presentation, and ready. Again, and the icon is no longer seen. Now we are going to make the button of home. We select the image of home. We go to the card Insert, to the group Links. We select Hyperlinks. This square will be be open to us. We select place on this document. Then we select the slide 1 that is in the cover. 2 that is the button is going to send to us when we present the button home. And later we give to accept. We present and see if our home button works. Now we do the same with the button of the cover. We select the image, start now, hyperlinks, place in this document, next slide, and accept. Now we will make buttons of next and return. We go to the tab insert, to the group illustrations, in forms, and we select a rounded rectangle. We can make the corners more rounded. And we wrote the word next. We can change the font, the color, and size. Now we will give the view of a button. We selected the round rectangle. We place in the tab format to the group style of 4. We select effect on 4 in the option of visual, and we select in that it gives the appearance of a button. To see if our button works, we will duplicate the slide, select the slide, right click, and select duplicate slide. It will add a slide like the previous one. Now we select our button of the second slide. Select the insert tab and add a hyperlink placed on this document. Next slide and accept. We present and check if our button works. Now we'll make the back button. We select the button of the slide 3 and copy with the Ctrl plus C key and paste with the Ctrl plus V keys. We arrange the form, change the text, and change the hyperlink to preview a slide, and that's it. Now I will add more slides so you can see how it will look like at the end. I will only add 2 more. Remember, creativity is up to you. You can do it as I am doing it, or change the colors, font, size of the margin of letter, and of course add the slide that you want. And that will be our multimedia flashcards. I will leave you a download link so you can get the editable presentation as well as the elements I used to create this, and the links where you can download beautiful fonts to add. You can leave your comments if you have any question. I hope you like it and my tutor helps you. See you next. Bye.